Hello friends, here I am going to discuss the mechanism of absorption. We came to know that maximum absorption of food in the intestine takes place due to the presence of villi. So this absorption takes place by mainly two methods, that is active transport and passive transport. Here absorption is the process by which solutes and solvents are taken into the living cells for circulation and distribution to the different cells of the living animals or human. This process is known as absorption. So absorption takes place by two methods. Here absorption two methods, that is, one is active transport and second one is passive transport. So in this method absorption takes place. Passive transport, there are two methods by which passive transport occurs. One is diffusion other is osmosis. So these two methods are coming under the passive transport. Now first come to discuss about the method of active transport. So here active transport. It is the active transport is the transport where a carrier molecule requires it. Occurs against the concentration gradient. So energy is needed for this transport. Active, it is the movement of molecules with help of, it is the movement of molecules with help of energy, E for energy, and a carrier. So in active transport we require two things, that is energy in form of ATP and a carrier molecule which carry the solutes against the concentration gradient. Next, active absorption occurs when the concentration of solute is much low. I have already told that active transport occurs against the concentration gradients, that is lower to higher concentration. Against low, that is against concentration gradient. That's why it requires a carrier molecule and energy. Concentration gradient. Food molecules are food molecules are completely absorbed by this process, and it is more rapid than the passive absorption, and it is more rapid than the passive absorption. In active absorption, substrates, that is solute substrates carried by specific membrane proteins called carriers. Carriers are nothing but the membrane proteins which carry the substrates or solutes against concentration gradient. The energy required for this is supplied by ATP. Sodium pump of the membrane helps in the active transport of sodium ions, which helps in absorption of glucose and galactose, etc. So sodium pump is required for transport in active transportation, and here sodium also transported, glucose and galactose are also transported in the active transport process. So this is all about the active transport. So it is more rapid than the passive transport, and it requires energy and carrier molecules. Thank you friends for watching. In my next video I will discuss about the passive transport. Bye.